Welcome to Pazino ECC. We are Nigeria's leaders in construction, real estate, and paint production. We offer affordable dry lands with C of O at Ibeju Lekki, quality homes through Pazino Homes and Gardens, durable, vibrant coatings with Pazino Paint. Everything we do is driven by quality and innovation, customer satisfaction, and sustainability. Pazino ECC is actively seeking partnerships and investments for nationwide expansion. Don't forget, Figo Travels and Tours for all your needs, hassle-free ticketing, visa processing, student, tourist, medical, and vacation packages. With the information on the screen, contact us now for our juicy offers. Hurry now!